In this video, let's understand the difference between galvanic cells and electrolytic cells. Galvanic cells has a spontaneous redox reaction which converts the chemical energy into an electrical energy, whereas in an electrolytic cell, non-spontaneous redox reaction convert the electrical energy into chemical energy. In the galvanic cell, the cathode is the positive electrode and anode is the negative electrode, whereas in electrolytic cell, the anode is the positive electrode and the cathode is the negative electrode. The process of oxidation takes place at the anode and the reduction process takes place at the cathode in galvanic cells, whereas the oxidation process occurs at the anode while reduction occurs in the cathode in electrolytic cells. Half cells are set up in different container and are connected through salt bridges, whereas in electrolytic cells, electrodes are kept in the same container in a molten or a solution electrolyte. Galvanic cells application lies in batteries, whereas the application of electrolytic cells lies in purifying copper and electroplating.